How's it going, everyone? It's probably the video everyone wants to see. Like, is MULN done? Does it have more room to go? Well, I'm going to show you guys a little secret. I'm going to show you guys my update and all that good stuff. So, because a lot of people I know in my Discord has made a lot of money on MULN. As long as you're, taking the profits, you're going to be fine. Do not ever be a hero and think, okay, I'm just going to keep holding and holding and holding. Take the profits, guys, because if you want to be a successful trader, you have to scale out. I highly recommend, once it starts moving, scale some out. Moves more, scale some out, and you keep scaling and have that trailing stop loss. All right, so here's MULN, here's the daily candle, and you might be looking like, wow, that's probably the most disgusting chart I've ever seen in my life. And me, I'm just like jumping up and down. I'm like, wow, this chart is amazing. Like, I love it. I love this chart because in my style trading, I'm going to show you why I love it and how you can make massive reversal candles. Okay, the first time we traded it was, so let me give you, for all the new people and all in my Discord, when price gets close to the lower band, we look for a buy. It doesn't mean we get in right away and we just buy right away. So we look for a buy, and then we look for our accumulation rules. We have accumulation rules for my Discord members. If you're in, you know it. If you want to get in, hit the link down below in the YouTube comments. But price goes in waves. We know price has to hit this EMA 10. Right in here is that yellow band here. I'm going to try to show you right here to a T. Like, price has to hit this yellow band. We know it will, it has to, and then price has to hit the 5 in a very short amount of time. And then the end goal, I like to use this analogy. The end goal, when you watch Lord of the Rings, is Frodo to throw that ring in the fire. That is the end goal for this story of MULN. We are waiting for Frodo to throw the ring in the fire, and the whole story is complete. And then we look for a new story to begin. So we have not actually touched the EMA 10. As you can see right in here, this was not a touch, but I sold it, before, because I know things can happen like this. And as you can see, price just kept going rapidly down. This right here, we found a base, we found some consolidation, and this was a perfect accumulation rules. And man, oh man, 23 cents all the way up to 57. Let me just give you a little thing here. If you guys, got near my averages here, you're looking around 150% gains from the low. Is that for everyone to eat? Absolutely. Everyone can eat, enjoy, and because this is an awesome gains, guys. I posted in my Discord. I post my entries and exits. Of course, you're not going to get all the top of the move there. It's impossible. So don't act like, well, what if, I could have did this, and stop acting like that. Don't be greedy. You're traders. Nobody knows the exact future. Nobody knows when it's going to pump, how high, and all that. But we do know it's going to pump to this EMA 20. So I just want to share this. We are going to hit this EMA 20. We did not hit it on the EMA 20 here. As you can see right here, there's some room. So we knew the EMA 10 was going to hit and the EMA 5. So now this is what's going to make you pump out of your seats and be like, wow, this chart's awesome. Look at the last time we hit the EMA 20. It was way back here on 531. That means we have not touched the EMA 20 in about 3 months, guys. I repeat, we haven't touched it in 3 months. What does that mean for us bottom reversal traders in my Discord and my strategy? We will hit it. Anything that don't touch in 2 months, and if you follow the strategy and you buy near the ATR4 with this bottom band, and you look for a low K value, which was around a 1.89 down in these areas, and it starts to consolidate, you need to start putting some big money in these. These are one of the A+ setups, and if you looked in the past, guys, right here in the past, you would have seen right here, we get ATR4, time distance, and look what happens. You can pump to these EMA 20s in one candle and then some. Look, I mean, it can still keep pumping. And as you can see, Bo, what happens is when you hit the 20, like I said, you form a new story. When you hit this 20, you need to be out of the trade. There's no trading it anymore. 20 decides to go down. 20, go down. 20, go down. It can go up, but it's not as common with pennies. As you can see right here, we get close to the ATR4 and we get a pump. We get close to the ATR4, which is this bottom band, and you get massive pumps. So if you're seeing this, you're like, well, MULN has these big candles that literally just go way up. This stock has potential. This was the last long EMA 20 that I'm going to show you and why it's so relevant to see. Way back in 2023 of May, we touched the EMA 20 right here, 502, and guess what? We touched it to a T on 706. That took about 2 months. It will hit it, guys, no matter what. I don't care how trash the stock is. I don't care how diluted it is. It just means it takes a little longer. But if you're trading it based on where the levels you're going to buy at, as the ATR4, what, have we hit the EMA 10? Are we due for the EMA 10? Are we due for the 20? And look at the massive returns here, guys. Just from this low to here, you're looking at a return of a 230% gain potential here. And you tell me that's not worth buying these trend reversals. And the problem is, a lot of people are back holding, and MULN is getting a bad reputation. Granted, it should. It's a penny stock. All penny stocks are bad reputation, and then people just keep buying these dips. The smart traders, the ones that know when bulls are going to be more in control, where the probabilities of, where the bulls are in favor, is buying it near these ATR4 bands, buying it near where the algos are going to pump it, and you can make massive money. So my case, rest assured, we're not done with the MULN. The story's not done. We have not thrown the ring in the fire to call it quits. MULN is still due for a run up. Am I going to buy it here? I've made massive money on it because I did my 4th ad on it. I made a lot of freaking dough on it. Do I want to lose my dough? No. Because what if it does something like this where it gets close to the 10 and pumps all the way down? But what's different is we're forming an uptrend on here. Do the trend chart. I can see it from here. That's an uptrend. As you can see, lower lows, or higher lows, and we're due for the 20 here. This is very easy to see that, we're forming a base, we're forming an uptrend, and we're trying to break out of this very narrow channel here. I think around 28 cents here, get around here, it should pump. Obviously, these channels are going to change every day, but we are due for the 20, and if you do this, this is a massive thing. So if we look at the price where it's now, and then where we could potentially go to, we're at 100% gain from here. Not too shabby. I would obviously take the 10 to 20, 30, 40% area right in there. Just to the upper trend channel, you're looking at a 40% gain. That's still massive returns. I think MULN is still ready to pump. I think it's due. Obviously, I don't think it's going to go to the ATR4 here. I think it's going to go to the EMA 20. It's done it every time. Every stock has done it. And this is on 3 months of no EMA 20. I mean, you should be freaking excited. I know, I get excited seeing this. I'm like, okay, now we have an uptrend. We're forming a base here, higher lows. I mean, what better setup can I look for? MULN is getting there, guys. If you guys didn't believe me, you guys missed out on a lot of money on this run. If you didn't believe me again, you missed out on a lot of money on this run right in here, and the past runs that kept happening. If you don't believe it and you don't trust the system and you're trading with scared money, then maybe trading pennies is not for you. This right here, I'm telling you, it works religiously, consistently. Just follow the system, get rid of your emotions, do the accumulation rules, and you'll win. Definitely join the Discord, guys. I'm telling you guys, this is going to be awesome. You can learn this strategy, get your chart to look like mine. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments. It'll say join the premium Discord. And it'll take you right here to this free chat landing page. We got so many resources for you. You won't be left-handed. There's a lot of members in this community that can help you. Myself, I even do one-on-ones for people that are like, man, I'm so new to trading. I can't figure this out. I'm losing money. You're not going to lose money in here. That's not the goal here. The goal is you're going to learn a lot, and you're going to get experience. You're going to get your toes wet, and you're going to make some money. That's the purpose of trading. Hit the top left of the server shop, and you'll see the 2 straight memberships. $12 a month for the Day and Swing Trading Plus. That's going to give you the highest value for only $12 a month, compared to a lot of servers charging hundreds of dollars, giving you a watch list, no entries, no exits, no game plan, not even telling you how to do the strategy, and literally just trust me. That's all it is. For this strategy, I'm more interested in teaching you guys how to fish, what setups to look for, and all that, so you can go out there and be confident. Because if you're not confident in your trades, you're going to lose every time. Because, when you're not confident, you don't trust the system. You need to trust the system. I showed you guys countless times it works. $12 a month gives you access to everything. Day trading is my favorite system. I make the most money. I transformed $1,000 to $4,000 in a month just doing day trading, and I keep rinsing and repeating back to 1,000 and starting the challenge. I think anybody can do it with a small amount of money. It doesn't even matter if you have $500 or $200. You can do it. So I hope to see you guys in it. It's only $12 a month, and you get access to everything on the left. All these memberships, you'll get access to my entries, exits, alerts, my live streams, my journal that shows that I win over 95% doing this simple strategy. All right, guys. Yeah, MULN is looking very bullish here. Not gonna lie, I'm definitely looking at it, and I will look for, look at this uptrend here. Small uptrend. We're definitely forming something here. EMA 20 hasn't got hit. Even if the EMA 20 goes all the way down to the, the 40 and 50 cent area, 40 cent, it's still massive gains. All right, guys, give this video a like, subscribe, comment. And if you guys are freaking, happy and you're ready for the next big play and ready for this thing to pump again, put some rockets in the chat. I like to read your comments here. And let's get this thing off the road. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the Discord. Peace out.